Welcome, fellow gardeners, to a journey of transforming your small backyard into a powerhouse of nutrition. Many of us dream of self-sufficiency, but limited space often feels like a barrier. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to growing a significant portion of your family's calories, protein, and fresh vegetables, even in the tightest spots. Before planting a single seed, truly know your backyard. Observe how sunlight moves across your garden throughout the day. Most food plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. Map out these sunny zones. Assess your soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. Consider a soil test to understand its composition and nutrient levels. This will guide your amendments and plant choices. Look up, not just out. Vertical space is often overlooked in small gardens. Walls, fences, and even dedicated structures can become prime growing areas. When space is limited, focus on calorie-dense crops. Potatoes are fantastic. Grow them in grow bags or containers for easy harvesting and space efficiency. Sweet potatoes are another excellent choice, offering high caloric yield and delicious greens. Winter squash varieties like butternut or acorn can be trained vertically on trellises. Their long storage life makes them incredibly valuable. Dried beans, such as kidney or black beans, provide substantial calories and store well. Consider dwarf corn varieties if you have a sunny patch. While not as high-yielding as other options, they add diversity. Prioritize crops that give you the most energy per square foot. Legumes are your best friends for backyard protein. Bush beans and pole beans are easy to grow and offer a good protein source. Pole beans especially maximize vertical space. Peas, both shelling and snap varieties, also contribute protein and improve soil health. Edamame, or fresh soybeans, are a delicious and protein-rich crop that thrives in many climates. Lentils can be grown in some regions, offering another excellent protein option. Explore different legume varieties to find what suits your local conditions best. These plants are essential for a balanced, homegrown diet. Beyond calories and protein, a small garden can provide a bounty of fresh vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and kale are perfect for cut-and-come-again harvesting. This means you get multiple harvests from a single planting. Root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and beets are space-efficient and nutritious. Choose shorter varieties for container growing. Fruiting vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and compact zucchini varieties can be incredibly productive. Don't forget herbs. Basil, parsley, cilantro, and chives add flavor and essential nutrients. Many herbs also deter pests, making them excellent companion plants. Vertical gardening is paramount. Use trellises, arbors, and specialized vertical planters to grow upwards. This dramatically increases your usable growing area. Container gardening offers flexibility. Use large pots, grow bags, and raised beds to create defined growing zones. This also allows you to control soil quality precisely. Succession planting ensures a continuous harvest. As one crop finishes, immediately plant another in its place. This maximizes the productivity of every square inch. Intensive planting, like square-foot gardening, involves planting crops closer together than traditional rows. This boosts yield per area. Companion planting can also improve growth and deter pests naturally. Healthy soil is the engine of your garden. Start a compost pile or bin to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste. Compost enriches your soil with vital nutrients and improves its structure. Regularly amend your soil with organic matter. This feeds the beneficial microbes that support plant growth. Consider organic fertilizers to provide targeted nutrition without harsh chemicals. Practice crop rotation to prevent nutrient depletion and reduce pest and disease issues. Don't plant the same crop in the same spot year after year. This keeps your soil vibrant and productive. Water is a precious resource, especially in a small garden. Install a drip irrigation system or use soaker hoses to deliver water directly to plant roots. This minimizes waste and evaporation. Mulch your garden beds generously. A layer of straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves helps retain soil moisture. Mulch also suppresses weeds, reducing competition for water and nutrients. Consider a small rainwater harvesting system if feasible. Collecting rainwater provides a free, natural source of irrigation. Efficient watering practices are key to a thriving small garden. A healthy garden is less susceptible to pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Early detection is crucial for effective management. Employ organic pest control methods. Hand-picking larger pests, using insecticidal soap, or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs can keep populations in check. Companion planting can also deter pests. Ensure good air circulation around your plants to prevent fungal diseases. Prune lower leaves if necessary. A diverse garden ecosystem naturally balances itself, reducing the need for interventions. Knowing when to harvest is vital for maximizing yield and flavor. Pick leafy greens regularly to encourage new growth. Harvest root vegetables when they reach their ideal size. For crops intended for storage, ensure they are fully mature and cured properly. Many calorie-dense crops like winter squash and potatoes store well in cool, dark places. Explore basic preservation methods like drying beans, freezing excess vegetables, or even simple fermentation. These techniques extend your harvest long after the growing season ends. Transforming a small backyard into a calorie, protein, and vegetable haven is entirely achievable. It requires thoughtful planning, smart techniques, and consistent care. Start small, learn from your successes and challenges, and enjoy the incredible satisfaction of growing your own food.